Using my Snap-on Ethos Pro to program a new key for my 2004 Ford Explorer. I am waiting for the 10-minute delay. I'm down to 3 minutes. Longest 10 minutes in my life, sometimes, I think. I do not have two keys for this vehicle. And in order to program this key, I need two keys that are programmed for this vehicle so I can do it without this tool. Since I do not have the second key that is programmed for this vehicle because I bought it used, I only got one key, I have to use my scan tool here so I can program this key. And what I plan on doing is this tool is able to erase all previous keys. And then I'm going to relearn the original key and this key, so the only two keys that are programmed are these two. And if in the future, if I want a third key, I will not have to hook this device up. I would be able to go through the other procedure where I think you have to cycle the ignition switch like 5-6 times with one key, and then do it again with the second key that's programmed. And then after you use those two keys, I think you can use the other keys that you want to program to the system. But you must have two keys in order to program a third key. And since I don't have two keys to program this key, I am doing it this way. Now I'm down to 23 seconds. Okay, my 10 minutes are up. Now my display comes up that I can program my other keys. Now I've done this before. I'm going to select what I want to do. Let's see here. What do I want? Customer spare key, programming, disable, erase all keys. I'm going to go down here and it says erase all keys. And this is an important message, blah 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 blah. Are you sure you want to continue? And it says this vehicle will fail to start unless two keys are programmed. So I'm gonna hit continue. It has been. This will take 10 minutes once again. So now I'm going to count down again for 10 more minutes. This is why they tell you to hook a battery charger to your vehicle so your battery doesn't go dead while you're doing this process. Because if your battery goes dead, it can corrupt the system and then you have all kinds of problems. So I'm going to pause this video for a little while. This is one of the things I do not like about programming keys, is this 10-minute security delay. You get it for every little thing you want to do. You have to wait 10 minutes to get into the system so you can choose the function you want to do. And then once you choose your function, you got to wait another 10 minutes to do the function you want to do, which in reality actually takes the system milliseconds to actually perform. But it's a security delay. I personally feel the first 10 minutes I was waiting would have been enough, because obviously the delay's in there, so I can't just hop in somebody's vehicle, quickly program a key for it, and steal it later on. But 10 minutes every time, they definitely made sure that you're not going to jump in somebody's vehicle and run away with it. Because, yeah, to erase my keys, it's taking me 10 minutes again. So now I'm waiting 20 minutes so I can program this key. And I guess you can say I'm complaining, but I'm not complaining. Because if I didn't have this tool, which I love, it's an awesome tool, I would not be able to do this. I would not be able to program this key. Because I only have one programmed key. I would have to take to a dealer or somebody who would have a tool like this. But it's the reason why when you want a key programmed for your vehicle, you know, you may be paying that technician $30+ to program a key. You know, $30 is pretty cheap. For the fact, this is actually probably going to take me about an hour to program this key. So, yeah. I got 3 minutes more here to wait before my erasing of my previous program keys procedure is complete. And then I'm going to have to wait another 10 minutes so I can enter the procedure, so I can reprogram this original key and then this key to the system. Because if I would have had 2 keys for this system and I wanted to program the 3rd key, I would have been done already. That procedure does not take long at all to program a 3rd key or a 4th key. But you need 2 keys that are already learned into the security system, which is a very good safety feature. Because if I could just do it with 1 key, I could hop in somebody's vehicle that I was working on, had another key cut, and I could program it within minutes and have a spare key for their vehicle. Not too many people give you 2 keys right away for their car. So it definitely is, you know, well laid out. But, man, I hate the wait. Most of this video is me talking. And waiting. Alright. The countdown once again. Okay, now there it is. All keys have been erased from this system, and now is recommended to program a minimum of 2 keys to any thing. It's like, okay. Turn off key Insert passkey and turn to on position for 10 seconds. Insert second key and turn on for 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see if it works. There's that one. There's that one. Holy moly. Look at that. They both work now. I was wrong. I only did this once before. I thought I had another 10 minutes to wait. So it took me 20 minutes to program 2 keys. Oh, I thought it was going to be an hour. Not too bad. Tool. Maybe that's actually one of the cheaper ones for what it can do. Do a lot of functions. And this is one of the ones I am glad it can do. Yes. Original key. My new key. Sweet. See, and now it can show me all these other functions that are on here. Erase all keys, numbers of keys programmed, programmed initial keys, unlimited key mode on, exit, which I don't want to do. Why is it saying 0? Should not say 0. Because I am definitely